Hi friends! Hello amazing humans at home! In this adventure, 131 minus 131 which equals 0 times 131 minus 131 equals 0. Now we have this problem 0 times 0 which equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication 131 times 131 equals 17,161. So we have 131 minus 17,161 minus 131, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 131 minus 17,161 which equals, so we have minus 131 which equals minus 17,161, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.